What are Korotkoff sounds in blood pressure measurement? Imagine listening to your heartbeat through a stethoscope as a nurse or doctor checks your blood pressure. Those sounds you hear are called Korotkoff sounds, and they tell us a lot about your blood flow. When measuring blood pressure at home, understanding these sounds can make your readings more accurate. They are the noises produced when blood starts flowing again through an artery after being temporarily blocked by a cuff. The cuff is wrapped around your upper arm and inflated to stop blood flow. As the cuff pressure is slowly released, blood begins to move turbulently, creating distinct sounds. These sounds are what we call Korotkoff sounds. They are essential because they help us find two key numbers, the systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The systolic pressure is the first sound you hear when blood starts rushing past the cuff, which indicates the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. The diastolic pressure is determined when these sounds disappear, showing the pressure when your heart relaxes between beats. There are 5 phases of these sounds. The first phase is a sharp tapping sound, marking your systolic pressure. The second phase has a swishing or whooshing noise as blood flow becomes more turbulent. The third phase is a softer, more pronounced thumping sound. The fourth phase is muffled and blowing, and the fifth phase is silence, which signals your diastolic pressure. When measuring your blood pressure at home, it's important to listen carefully for these sounds. Place the cuff snugly around your upper arm, roughly at heart level. Use a stethoscope placed over the brachial artery at the bend of your elbow. As you slowly releases the cuff pressure, listen for the first tapping sound to find your systolic pressure. Continue to listen until the sounds disappear, which indicates your diastolic pressure. Knowing about Korotkoff sounds helps you take accurate readings and monitor your blood pressure effectively. This is especially helpful in managing hypertension and preventing health problems. Remember, accurate placement of the cuff and careful listening are key. By understanding these sounds, you can confidently track your blood pressure at home and stay on top of your health.